Hello guys, welcome back to Viewers Vuejs tutorial part 3. I am Revant Kumar, founder of Viewers. In the previous videos you might have seen like we have listed down each and every concept of Vue.js. Like from the start to end, what are all the concepts that we have listed down. Like it may be like core concepts of Vue.js and Vue Router, what are all the concepts that we have, and lifecycle hooks in Vue.js, and performance optimization techniques, and state management in Vue.js like Vuex and Pinia. Each and every concept we have listed down. And so today, in today's videos, we are going to create complete roadmap. I've already created it, and I'll be sharing that roadmap with you and also with some references. Okay, so yeah, so this is our Vue.js roadmap. So this is for every beginner and also who are going to plan like to learn Vue. So this roadmap is for them, and so these are all the topics that I have listed down and with subtopics. Okay, so like the first topic will come into like the introduction to Vue.js, how we can create a Vue component, what is Vue.js, what is the difference between like what are all the changes that breaking changes that we got from version 2 to version 3 in Vue, and how you can set up a project, what is the project structure in Vue.js, and later how you can create your component, first component, you can how you can set up the project and how you can run it. So these are all covering in the first one, and later Vue composition API versus options API, and using like knowing what is the computed, what and functions are, and what are all the lifecycle hooks that we have. And later in third topic, Vue template syntax plus directives, what are all the directives we have, class bindings and style bindings also we are going to cover in this. And later component system, so the component system, like we have global components and local components, what is actually the difference between those two, and so normally what are props, custom events and slots. So these are again they will be coming in different things, but this is also good to know what is the difference between global and local and how a component system works. So what are single file components, and that actually we covered in our first video what is SFC, single file component. And later forms and event handling. So V model we have form inputs different like input, select, checkbox, radio buttons, each and everything. And later computed properties, watchers, and handling form events, how you can handle it properly. And later component communication and lifecycle. So here in component communication we have different ways: props, emitting events, provide, inject, component V model, slots. So these are the different ways we are going to cover, completely dedicated to component communication only. And later router, I mean Vue router. So here we have completely like 8 to 9 topics here. So router views, router links, named routes, named views, child routes, dynamic routes, lazy loading, in routes, each and everything. And later state management with Pinia and Vuex. Like we have Vuex previously we had, now Pinia came. What is the difference between those two? State and getters, mutations, actions, how you can use the store in the components. And there are again some built-in components in Vue.js: keep alive, suspense and teleport. Okay, so in this way like we have again reusability. In reusability also we have normally composables, .ts files, and state management, reusable logic, how you can create, and reusable components. And also we have custom directives guys, so that is also another thing. And namely what are all the performance optimization techniques, including these references. Okay, so for references we have the best tool, that is vuejs.org. Okay, so in this vuejs.org we will be coming to know each and everything. So that is also they have also listed down in this way, uh, like what are all the concepts that we have in Vue.js. In the sidebar you can see. So yeah, this is the roadmap guys, and also visit viewers.in website for more information, and follow viewers and stay updated. Thank you.